Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Thank you for letting me come over to get a demo, man.
Oh, yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name's Simon. I got 2 ACCAs back then. We're on the 2 Smart 3s. You should get
2 Smart 3Ks at 1 ohm or?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah, everything myself.
Nice. So it's like a trunk blow-through 4th order.
Yeah.
Does it do better with the trunk open or closed, or does it not matter?
I really haven't tested it. It's my first time on the meter here, so
It's pretty sweet. Did you meter it yet?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm excited to hit the meter.
Do you know your peak yet, or you'll find that out today? Okay. You're going to be doing what do you say you're trying to get to meter-wise?
150.
150, yeah. You should be able to burn that for sure. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we just got of Simon's dual subwoofer system that he has as a blow-through in the trunk. So shout out to everybody. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Definitely did a really good job, as well as we'll get to show y'all how it sounds today. So this was at the Summer Showcase Show in 2021 of Jacksonville, Florida. And everybody, I would like y'all to comment. Let him know something you like about his system. Say some positive things. Definitely got some pretty important topics to talk about in this system. So firstly, the way he has the layout of the box from the port blow-through into the top of the back area of his trunk to the 4th order layout design with the subwoofers mounted inverted into the sealed section. So this actually is a 4th order bandpass enclosure, not a ported enclosure. With the subwoofers mounted like this with the see-through beauty panel on the top, allows you to be able to see the subflex. My wife outside while I got the demo actually got some subwoofer flex action you'll get to see in the demo shortly. So the way the subwoofers are mounted inverted, underneath these amplifiers, there's an actual sealed section that you have where the airspace is sealed and allows the subwoofers to actually be able to compress to make this a 4th order. So the sealed section is where the mounted subwoofers are actually the cone of the pressure of the subwoofer is inside of. And then the subwoofer magnet, or the inverted side, is in the ported chamber. And you can't really see, but right here, the actual port is chamfered off into the back of the trunk hatch area of the trunk, so that way that he considers this a trunk blow-through system with the port firing out into the cabin. So definitely a unique custom fabricated work box to get this the way he got it. I'm not sure if he built it in the vehicle or not, but he did a really good job, whether him or his builder did it. So shout out to y'all, you did a really good job. Hope y'all enjoying the cardio videos. I got them every single day, so stay tuned for more by considering to subscribe. And let's go ahead and get to this impressive subwoofer trunk bass demo.
the legs, get the dough, make a whole count cash, bitch counterfeit, no counterfeit, no counterfeit. You fingertips and them ropes, bitch, I got a pound of this. One,
Blowthru?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're going to be doing what do you say you're trying to get to meter-wise?
150.
150, yeah. You should be able to burp that for sure. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. I'm going to go check out the back. Is the ants back there too?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.